Hey there, this is MK. We had posted a presentation and a debate on the topic antimicrobial resistance and prevention of antimicrobial resistance. இந்த வருஷத்தோட தீம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா educate, advocate and act now. By the way, இதான் எங்கள் போஸ்டர். டிபேட் சும்மா வேறு மாதிரி தரமாக இருந்துச்சு, பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள். பட் பிஃபோர் தட் டோன்ட் forget to subscribe us. 1K likes target வைக்கிறேன். Let's get started.
Public hygiene, which I like to, as an open question for the team, want to.
Is used directly for MRSA, which is, as he said, now community-acquired infection. But then daptomycin in India is not even available, so it is the topmost drug available.
A healthcare worker actually knows based on the symptoms of what the infection could actually be. So for viral infections, we actually don't need antibiotics. They don't listen to the public. They are advertising their tablets, they are advertising their goals, but they are not advertising that there is something like this.
Previously, China residents had 138 grams of antibiotic per year. That is about 10 times that of in US. Moreover, in villages, public people, they take drugs for antibiotics for upper respiratory tract infection.
இதுதான் சரியான போட்டி. இப்போ தான் ஆரம்பிக்கும்.
The pharmacist, when you ask questions, what is meant for antimicrobial resistance, what do you know what the pharmacist